Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Today on the rack we have a 95 Chevy truck. This thing's got a nice, rough country lift on it with a set of, what's he running here? 35 by 1250 R20s on there. Look nice. Matter of fact, the whole truck looks nice. I'll bring you in closely, let you see this thing right quick and tell you what we're going to do to it today. Alright, as you can tell, this is a working project this young man's taking on. And so far, I got to say he's doing a good job. This old truck's looking really good. Yeah, not bad at all. Little body work there on the bed. Get that bed painted because the cab still looks great. Looks like they might have just had that thing painted. But yeah, cool. And he's got a, what sounds to be a really healthy built 350 in it. Of course, this 5-speed truck. Yeah, no auto for this thing. And it is 4-wheel drive, of course. And what he's got here is like some shorty style headers that come down on each side. So what we're going to do, we're going to take some 2.5-inch tubing and run in a set of duals on here, off-road style duals. We'll hang our mufflers right up here, and then just do is a couple of dumps right over the rear end. He brought some mufflers, Flowmaster single series. Yeah, this thing's gonna be loud and rumble. Work and get this thing knocked out, guys. This ought to be a fairly quick job. Doesn't look that bad. I think we'll enjoy doing it. Alright guys, first thing we have to get our collectors on. These are stainless, which means we can't bump them up. They are 2.5, but we're going to take our pipe and bump it up and go over them. But we got our collectors, we got our gasket, and our bolts and nuts. And pretty straightforward, just slide her together. I got a washer on the bolt end, and as far as the nuts go, they're the little grip type. They tighten up really well, and they seem to hold good. Pretty good design right there. And there we go. Like I say, go back and tighten them really well. And I always tell everybody, after you run your vehicle for a couple of days, probably better safe than sorry to go back and retighten these again, just to be on the safe side. Alright, well we're going to tighten that one down the rest of the way, get the other one installed, and then we'll get to bending the pipe. Alright, we got our header collectors bolted on, got them tightened down really well. So we're going to start on the passenger side of the vehicle, which looks like it's coming out at 45. We have our 2.5-inch set up here. Let's run it to 45 and we'll see how that works. Alright, let's go check it. Alright, this thing's going to be the trick. We're going to cut off right here. There we go. Grab the sawzall, I'll get this end cut off. And we're going to shorten that up some and get it expanded. Alright. Now we have to expand this beginning end here. We're to go over that 2.5. he brought 3-inch inlet and outlets. We're really going to have to stretch this to make it fit where we can have a good weld up on them. Alright, that does not fit the muffler. Here's why. It's not 3-inch. This is a piece of 3-inch tubing. Yeah. These have got to be probably 4-inch mufflers. So we're going to take our 3-inch die, which is the biggest one that we have, or expander, whatever you call it. Put it on here. See if we can get this thing stretched out there to where it comes close to fitting. That's about as good a fit as we're going to get. That's not too much to weld up. Alright guys, there's how our front pipe's going to fit up in there. It's right up there to the collector, no problem. Let me get that welded in and get us a hanger here, and then we'll get our muffler fitted in there and get it welded on. Alright guys, we made it to here. We got our muffler hung, and that worked out really well. And welded up pretty decent. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and do our short tailpipe on this one and have this side knocked out. Alright guys, we're putting 45 minutes. Then we're going to do a angle cut on her end here. There we go. Take it over to the grinder and clean it up a little bit. And of course, we got to swedge this end up where it fit that huge muffler. Alright guys, and let's get our tailpipe on there. That is what the customer asked for. We just wanted to come to the rear end and turn down. And I suggested we go a little after the rear end and turn down. So that right there would be pretty cool. Now, we got to get ready to go to the other side. And that looks about like a 60 to me. Let's start out with a 60 and get this side bent. This is the hard side. Alright y'all, we got a driver's side pipe on, as you can see. And that turned out to be a 70 up there. We got her coming down through here. Got some good room up through there. Missing the transfer case. Plenty away from any hoses like the fuel line and whatnot. And we just crossed over. Come right up under the drive shaft. Then into our muffler. And bam, there you go. And here's what I've done for a hanger. This cross brace here, this is what holds the torsion bars. I just bolted the hanger on there and welded her up, and that's holding everything perfect. Now, let's get our other tailpipe on and one more hanger, and we'll have this one knocked out. Well guys, there we have her. One set of dual exhaust with over the axle dumps. Everything fit well, and it looked like it worked out fantastic. I didn't really have no issues or problems. Now we'll be waiting for the owner to come. This is a brand new motor, a new build, and he prefers to fire it up himself. But as soon as he gets here, we'll fire it up and we'll see what she sounds like. All right, let's see what she sounds like, guys. It's a good looking truck. there you have it, guys. That truck was not as loud as I thought it would be with them mufflers. It had a really good tone, especially when it took off down the road with it. Well, that wraps this one up. Another job done, another satisfied customer. We like it when it ends like that. Guys, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.